Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Andrew, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use your phone's digital wallet. So this one is actually quite simple. All you have to do is rapidly double click on the power button on the right side of your phone, like so, and it'll take you to the wallet app and either scan your face or ask you for your password. Once you've done either, now all you have to do is put your phone next to the Tap to Pay terminal. Once you're done, you swipe up from the bottom to take you back to your home screen. That was this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. If you enjoyed this tutorial and are interested in enrolling in a full course with us, please visit mittlerseniortech.com. Thank you for watching.